Hi, I'm David Maurice, Certified Financial Planner.
And I'm Andrew Worley, Associate Advisor.
And we're the investment nerds at Worthwhile Wealth Counsel.
Every week we take a look at funds we use in our current portfolios, tracking the returns over various times. And when I say funds, we're speaking about mutual funds and ETFs, but more on that later.
As well, we're looking at patterns that form or are changing that we want to take a closer investigation of. And keeping in mind also that we won't be sharing our fund results, but the indexes that we use to benchmark them.
We then send a brief report to our clients at week's end, reporting what we found of interest.
So we decided to take a shot at sending this out by video, so let us know what you think.
And don't despair, this one will be a little longer than the usual because we're introducing our wonderful selves and the concept.
Yes, of course, our wonderful selves. Last Monday, we noticed that with the distractions dying down in the market, investors did seem much better with the market.
Yep, U.S. small and mid growth reached positive year-to-date returns of more than 8 and 7% respectively.
And technology showed a year-to-date of a little over 6%, with REITs, that's U.S. REITs, gaining 3%, leaving them sitting pretty at just about 3.25% year-to-date.
Taking a look at REITs across the pond, they crawled, and I do mean crawled, 0.02%, bringing them almost flat year-to-date.
Well, and speaking of across the pond, very interesting that foreign value outperformed growth, with both looking a little over 3 and 2% respectively year-to-date.
And then there's emerging markets, just plain old showing off. They're over 8% return year-to-date.
And at the other end of the spectrum, there's those oh-so-boring bonds. Yes, still so boring, and even bleeding a little. No worries here. It's more like a paper cut than major surgery.
Overall, January ended on a down note, so we'll wait to see if the phrase, as goes January, so goes the market, will hold true.
So far, we don't really think that's going to be the case. Actually, it doesn't seem like the market seems to care that much about the calendar as it does patterns.
I agree. So that's our report for this week. I'm Andrew.
And I'm David. And together, we're the Petty Pedants of Worthwhile Wealth Counsel. See you next week.